Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, it's gardening season. I'm in the house today, but I'm working on some gardening things. I want to share with you the HPRT or the Hairprint T20 label maker. This is a Bluetooth portable label printer with auto identification and waterproof labels. This thermal inkless labeler works great for your office, your home, your kitchen, or your garden organization. The one I have is in the color white. I remember when you had to print labels from your computer. Now, with this Bluetooth laser printer, all you have to do is download the app Hairprint from your App Store or your Google Play Store. It is available for you as an easy download, and then you're ready to connect. One click connect, and you can start making your labels. So here I am, that took minimal time, and I'm already making labels. I'm putting together these storage bins that are going out in the greenhouse, and I'm putting labels on each particular drawer. Saw this little hack somewhere online, and I wanted to make sure that I label everything, because sometimes my kids go out and pull things for me out of the garden or the greenhouse, and they may not know exactly what the name is. So I wanted to make this very simple and easy for them to be able to identify the different garden items that I needed, and they should be able to follow very easily with these labels. Now they are easy to read, easy to format. You can format them left align, right align, center. You have different font choices, but I love the fact that it is compact and light, that it is able to be taken any place that you want to go, and it is used or can be used for different types of jobs, whether I'm doing something in the house for the ministry, whether I'm doing a home organization project, whether I'm making kitchen labels for my spice jars, or what I'm doing today, making labels for my garden. This is the label maker for you. You can find this on Amazon. There will be a link in the description box below to this direct product, as well as a code for a discount. The discount will expire on July 31st, but I say get those label makers, get those labels made before then, and you'll be able to benefit from that discount. I really like this. I mean, honestly, this can fit in the palm of my hand. If you look at it, just how small and compact that it is. It's easy enough for my kids to be able to use it. Remember, I have a 15-year-old and I have a 20-year-old at home that still help me. So it's very compact and easy. Look, just able to hold it right there in my hand. This can even fit in my purse. Come on through, Jesus. I'm not just going to fit Gwen in my purse. I'm going to put this label maker in my purse. This label maker is compatible with 0.8 to 2 inch width labels or 20 to 50 millimeter width labels. So you don't have to use what came in the package, which it does come pre-packaged with labels. It's an easy setup for that as well, but it is compatible with smaller labels or longer labels, but the 0.8 to 2 inch width labels. Remember, you can find the app in your Google Play Store if you have an Android device, or you can find it in the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone device. After I did the little containers, now I'm using this to make labels for my spray bottles, because I'm doing some weed killer, some neem oil, just little things that I might need to spray my plants directly. Some fertilizers, once diluted or put together, might look the same, and I don't want my children to pick up the wrong spray bottle because I don't want to damage plants. So I'm just making labels for all of my mini spray bottles so that they'll know what they're picking up if I ask them to go out and pull something for me. So this is going to help me just to make sure that my plants, my garden is safe, and my investment, the investment that I've spent on my garden, is safe. Remember, there'll be a link down in the description box below if you're interested. This would even make a cute little gift if you're looking for stocking stuffers, or for your office connoisseur people, those people who love their office supplies and those types of things. This would be extremely, extremely cute to gift. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.